Alright, for giveaway number 6, I've got some guitar parts from MGB Guitars. They were nice enough to donate 2 cigar boxes, some tuners, control caps, bridge, output jack, and a pickup wiring harness, along with an old guitar that I gutted. So this is an old cigar box guitar that you can use the neck, rebuild it, put a bridge on, whatever you want to do. So I had used MGB guitar parts in a couple videos, maybe about a year ago, 6-8 months ago. They've been a great partner in building out cigar box guitars for the guitar community for a couple of years now. If you don't have a full shop, cigar box guitars is a great way to get into the hobby. I built one for a buddy that you guys know, and he's been playing some slide here and there. At least that's what he's telling me. But these 2 boxes, I think, are nice Spanish cedar. This is like a double box, nice stain. You can plop a neck on here. Same thing with this one as well. This is probably a little bit nicer of a box. This comes out. But wanted to thank MGB for donating these items for the giveaway. You know how to enter. Leave a comment, hit subscribe, and we'll get this stuff out to you. So thanks again for a great 10 years, and we'll see you in the next video.